everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Andrew. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below para every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong videos ko, updated kayo. For today's video, guys, we're on our way to Mactan International Airport and I'm with Cristel.
Hey y'all, we're back. We're just going to visit the airport, guys, and check what's new in there.
We're going to Davao.
I'm really paano ma-surprise?
Energy. Dito na kami sa may Tayod. Tayod na ba ta?
Yes,
Tayod.
this is Tayod.
We're in Tayod. And it's already 12:30 in the afternoon. At yung driver natin nga ay si Jomar.
The organizers, Miss Ruby.
Miss Ruby.
Tapos, sino Sir Jake?
Sir Jake is the financer. Char lang. Chan yung clown.
Si Chan yung clown.
Oh my god, no. At si Judith,
Si kami ni Judith.
the
mga
food
ano,
specialist.
Mga class 1.
Food experts.
O, si Judith na lang sa ano, sa food, ganyan. Tapos ako, maghahanap ako ng soul searching.
Wow. Kung may mahanap.
Guwapa. Ako ang vlogger, taga-document.
Ako yung taga-document.
Si Jomar. So, siya yung taga-support kay Miss Ruby.
And yung flight pala namin, guys, is at 2:15, no?
Yes, let's hope so.
Kapag morning hindi sila delay, only
So,
sa
sinasabi
afternoon
mo bang
lang.
laging
Afternoon delay
Baka
sila. And it's sobrang init ngayon, guys. Baka July na talaga, for sure.
Or baka ganun talaga pagbutas ng ozone layer. Char, friend,
Wow.
smart.
But it's cloudy naman. Ganun
This
tayo.
is La Pastisseria. Larong na dayon.
From SNR.
Maestro Massimo. It's a wafer cubetti with chocolate cream and then no artificial color. Lahat na binasa.
Yan yung snack namin ngayon for today. And we're gonna see there, it's already 12:35. Pagdating namin doon sa Mactan Airport, maghanap pa kami ng parking space. And then, we're gonna go to our terminal. And
Can
we're
I
gonna
just,
meet up with the gang. Ito yung sitwasyon ngayon. We're stuck on traffic. The traffic. We'll see you there, guys. We'll give you an update once we get to the airport. Ano pa ito kaya la? Upat beach. Ang tulo ka live. Magmain ko ang ba? Over ba? Nag-take over? Counterflow. Dumating na po kami dito sa Mactan International Airport and it's already 1:39 in the afternoon and our flight is at 2:15 and sana pala yung makasama natin.
Kalabanin kita.
Where's the other bitches? We're gonna buy some perfume. Doon na lang sa Davao.
May time pa ta.
I need a Davao perfume.
Yeah, very high school. Same lang tayo ng amoy.
Magkano?
Ayaw lang, uy.
Isa na lang?
Sige go.
Magkano pala yung isa?
Loo ka ba, Loo?
Check daw. Baka mas
98
Sabi kasi try me.
Yan, bumili kami ng dalawang spray kasi wala kaming perfume. Body spray naman to. This is not perfume. Individual booking ba yung kay Judith, no?
Separate kay...
Tayo, sabay tayo
booking,
lahat.
pero same time.
Same time din, same flight. Yung kulang lang sa squad na to ay si Joy. Joy is not here
Joy.
today.
And you better watch out for this vlog. May Jomar ba? Ang bet ni Jomar. Kasi may ganito.
Parang sling. Magkano din siya to? How much is it?
May surprise.
Walang
Taray,
price.
walang price. Bili agad. Walang
Ayan.
price.
Ano yung price?
Where you at? Baka na natin ang resibo, guys. So, you know.
Which gate pala tayo? Let's see. So yung
29?
gate namin is
think it's-
boarding group is number 2.
29 ata.
2:20 in the afternoon yung flight namin. And yung walang nakalagay to be determined, char. To
Ay, okay.
be revealed.
Ah, seat pala yun. Alam, magkatabi tayo.
29D. Yung sa'yo.
E.
Same
Ano?
row lang.
For
The
your
glasses.
summer trip.
No, ito na, may glasses na ako. I don't need another
Okay.
glass.
Are you saying that you're a bench Drew or a pen shop girl?
Pen shop.
Oh, Drew, ano ka ba doon? In bench?
Dapat bias lang.
I don't
Pen shop
like
or
it.
bench. None of the above pala. Walang hiya.
Because I'm more on TikTok.
TikTok, Shopee.
I don't remember anymore when was the last time I bought sa pen
Sa
shop
pen shop or sa bench.
So masama-sama lang ako. Like last time kay Chan Chan, we bought his
The bag. So we're gonna check which gate kami.
Philippines Air Asia, flight 9793. Boarding pass and ideal passport ready for
So we're
inspection.
5J45.
Next
Five.
page.
Next.
Sabi niya, relax daw. Shop and dine. Ayun na yun.
D 4503. 45 saan na? Wala.
Change.
Change flight.
Ay, ayun.
4503, 5503.
Gate number 9. Boarding time is 2:20.
2:15 to 20, baka delay na naman. Sana di-delay, please. The last song, Syndrome. Over here, meron silang mga
Passengers on
souvenir.
Pacific flight
The food.
552 to Manila
Polvoron.
Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We would now like to
400.
invite passengers with row 60
Rosquios.
to 25 to board
Dried
through
mango.
gate 11. All other passengers are kindly requested to remain seated for the moment at gate
Ayan, may mga
11.
kwintas din pala dito.
Please have your boarding pass and ID or passport ready for inspection. On behalf of Cebu Pacific, we wish you a pleasant flight.
Magkano dito? Let me check. This is for 460.
Attention please for a gate
Mga
change.
bangles.
Cebu
And this is the
Pacific,
store.
flight 24.
Over here, the muffins.
Passengers on Cebu Pacific, flight 599 to Davao.
Ito ba yung prices?
Passengers, please
It's already
have your boarding
$149.
Anong ginakuan? Gina-announce?
Wala pa man. Close pa yung counter area nila. Tatambay muna kami dito. We'll see you in a bit. I'll give you an update later pag nakapag-check-in na kami and
552.
nakapag-meet na kami kina Judith and Chan Chan kasi wala pa sila dito. Just a quick update, dumating na po kami dito sa Davao International Airport and this is the entrance and exit area. Nasa labas na kami. Di na kami nakapag-vlog dun sa loob.
Davao, just a trivia, it's my first time. Happy
Yeah,
first time.
Crystal's first time. Si Christian nakapunta na siya dito before. And si Judith, is this her first time ba or
Yeah,
first time din niya? Welcome to Davao!
Salamat sa charot. But,
Unfortunately, hindi kami mag-city tour. We're going straight to Samal Island.
gawin mo ng paraan.
Originally, the plan is to go straight to Samal Island.
Nakapag-city tour na ako sa Davao, but it's my
nakapunta ka
first
na.
time sa Samal. Naka-city tour ako gamit ang jeep.
Ng ano? Jeep?
I was a commuter back then.
Still a commuter. So how do you greet in Davaoenyo? Ayu! Mayong buntag?
No. Ala eh? Gayong pag-abot Davao. Charot! Huy!
Ang gulo-gulo nyo. Ilabas na yung payong.
Sorry girl.
Ito na yung payong Bureau of Customs na smuggled ni Christian. We're going to which port, Chan?
Portal to Biringan. Gen Z me.
Sasa?
Sasa War.
Sasa girl!
Sasa girl.
Sasakay kami ng taxi going to Sasa Port. I think I've been there before but I'm not sure. Are you sure? Wala
Ako
pa.
nakapunta dun. City lang ako.
So good luck na lang sa atin tatlo.
Yun oh. Pwede ba siguro yun? Innova.
Wala sila dito yung public transportation na van.
Add extra pizza. We can add extra 2 pesos.
Baka sa
I'm
labas
pretty
na.
sure meron, pero like
Nandun
from
na.
the
Ay.
airport hindi ako sure.
Dito?
Ikaw ka dito, love! Ako nag-taxi kag-imo.
May iwan gamit ha, may
Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Kuya, si Miss.
Sabi na ko si Jake ka dito, sa kag-taxi iya.
Sabak-sabakan na natutong bag. Ay, pwede na?
Dali. Asa ka? Dali ka?
So, sabaka lang yung bag. Ay, ayong.
Ayan, sasakay kami ngayon ng taxi going to Sasa Port. Thank goodness we found a taxi that all of us can fit. Ilan tayo, Chan? 8? Are we 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Thought we were 8.
Ako pa ginagawa mong chill. Pangina ka.
Ginawa ka ng umbrella.
Ay, pasok na ako. Ako na lang.
Nakabok sa likod.
Kasha lang?
Sino lang may kamay?
Buti na lang sakto kami dito sa loob.
Pandor ba niya?
And then from Sasa Port, we're gonna
Exam? Yes.
go directly to Samal Island. We're still in the airport.
Ay, first night. Uy, ang nasa akong atubangan ganina puros mga OFW nga taga Japan ay. Wala ilang kwarta nga gibayad kay 10,000 yen ireklamo gyud ang kuan. Sir, dako ra kay kag kwarta, sir.
Mga OFW, shout out to y'all. Pero dagan kayo hotel oy. There's a lot of hotel.
Just lang ka, girl.
Malapit lang.
Oh, yung citizen ko green
Malapit lang siya dito.
Saan na dara? Santa Lucia Mall. Okay, may pinapunta daan.
Magmuling pala.
Mamadaan na tayo, kuha na ta. Ay, mag-city tayo Sunday? Oh, mag-city tayo. Indoor.
Uy, mag-tour to. Uy, kayo dil...
Ay, mag-tour pala tayo. So may city tour pala.
Yes.
There's a city
May city tour
tour.
tayo sa Sunday. 70,000. Pila man niya?
Pila man?
Seat capacity.
Oo.
Pila?
Hapon. 3-5.
Why hang you ya?
3-5 from morning to hapon.
Tagay lamig number ni mo.
Number niya.
Punta na kami sa Sasa Port. We're currently by the airport area. Ito po yung nasa labas.
Laki ng daan nila, girl.
Oh.
Ang ilaha kay one way parang niya.
Pating na po kami dito sa Sasa Port. It only took us like 15 minutes to get here from the airport. So this is the entrance. Samal Ferry, Sasa. Dito po kami sasakay papunta Samal Island. And the fare was only for 150 lang, Tel, no? 150 lang.
Plus 100.
Plus 100 for tip. Yung fare pala dito kung mag-taxi kayo, it's only 450, but agad dito naman kami ng 100. We're going inside. Ito po yung itsura sa labas. And this is the entrance. Kung dediretso pa tayo doon, it's straight to the downtown area. Doon din kayo bibili ng fruits kung magdodorian kayo doon sa may Ramon Magsaysay Park. Buti na lang may 7-Eleven. Buti na lang may trip papuntang Samal ngayon. And we're gonna buy the tickets here. It's only for 25 pesos. 5 years below, Chan, free lang.
I'm 4.
Noon, it's only for 15.
15?
Oh, noon. That is the boat that we're gonna ride going to Samal. May token pala.
Feels like Tom's World.
Tom's World. Ganito pala to.
Okay, pass mo lang, sir.
Ay, diretso lang pala. Automatic lang pala siya. Ito na. Ito na.
Ay, mag-warhog lang ka. Miss, magtindog ka ba yata?
Wala tayo upuan?
Doon naman ka.
Yeah, usually it only takes like 15 minutes lang siya.
No, like 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes and 20 seconds still. Yes.
Ay, bus din pala. Biyahe dito. So we're going up. We're going.
We're going.
Watch your step. We're here.
We're here.
This is the view on the upper deck. Hindi kayo upo?
Ano naman?
Pwede kayo dito umupo. Saan kayo? Dito na lang.
Ayan kasi.
Doon banda? No? Excuse John, excuse. Time check, it's already 5:11. We're currently on the boat going to Samal Island. Sabi nila it will only take 15 minutes from the city to get to that island over there.
The island over there.
Over there.
What island is that?
I'll give you an update later, guys. Pag na namin yung Samal Island. See you in a bit. Samahan nyo kami. Let's go. kami sa Samal Island and it only took us how many minutes lang siya? Less than 10? Less than 15?
2 hours and 30 minutes.
2 hours talaga. Time check, it's already 5:30 na dyan. And nandito pa rin isang kasama natin.
Ay, sure. Kasama natin yan.
Kasama pala natin to. Mas pinakomplicate man ni Chan. Chan, check mo Chan, anong oras nandun yung ticketing booth nila?
Kalimut ko.
Oh my God.
Pass by na po. Hindi na pwede buka.
Kaya makinig kay Chan. He's making it complicated.
Story. Bawal mo nila.
But for real, approximately 15 minutes on your ride from
And 30
Sasa Port.
And 15.
By 30 seconds pa.
5 milliseconds.
And as soon as we get out of this port, dito sa Samal Island, we're gonna take a tricycle going to the resort. Ano ba siya kung anong name ng resort? The name.
Resorts World Manila.
Resort.
Ano ba? Kalimut.
Hindi ko din alam.
Wait. Actually, I know the place. Manawari Beach Resort.
Manawari. How many minutes from here? Can you check on the map?
I think, ano
Malapit lang siya?
5 minutes lang.
Ah, malapit na pala dito.
Yes, it's just close by. Less than 10 minutes lang. Oh, actually 5 minutes.
Here we come, Manawari. Here we go.
Here we go.
Go. I'm going to give you a quick tour of our room. This is gonna be our home for 3 days. 3 days, 3 days and 2 nights. This is the front door. This is a sliding door actually. Ayan. And view namin sa labas. Currently there's a Zumba happening out there right now and it's a little bit loud. Close muna natin. Ito po yung light switches. And this is the table where you can put your bags. And the wall. And yung single bed. Dito ngayon matutulog si Christian Malare.
Christian Malari.
Ayan, this is Christian Malare.
The very popular
very infamous.
Christian Malari.
And ito po yung bed ni na Cristel. The queen size bed. And may TV din pala tayo dito. And a remote. And over here,
Like,
we have
smells
aircon.
like cheap.
And this is the mirror. We got our free orange juice. This is gonna be my workstation for the night. And my free coffee din pala sila dito. And free water. And dito po namin nilagay yung mga sapatos namin. Our bags, put it under here. Our clothes. And there's a closet here. Also hangers where you can hang your clothes. And the chair. This is the queen size bed. This is gonna be where I'm going to be sleeping for tonight. That's si Jomar. Also, meron din pala sila dito parang maliit na chandelier.
Oh.
There's 2. And this is the design of the room.
Saturday, tomorrow.
How much pala yung room dito, Jones?
Mga 24,000 tanan
For 3 days?
for 3 nights.
20...
Around 28.
Ha? Ganun?
Oh.
3 days?
Para sa ato ata.
3 days, 2 nights, di ba?
3 nights.
3 nights, 4
Friday,
days?
Saturday, Sunday night.
5 na ang 20 plus.
But around 28.
This is good for how many nights, Judith?
3 nights, 4 days.
Dito
With
sa-
free
sa Siargao.
breakfast.
And over here is the CR. Check natin. So this is the faucet, the mirror, meron silang tissue, and the toilet, and the shower. This is the whole CR. After this, we're gonna go to the restaurant and order some food for our dinner. We'll see you in a bit, guys. I'll give you an update later kung ano yung mga pagkain na in-order namin dito sa Manawari. See you in a bit, guys. Rest muna kami.